Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Nail Kit is probably one of the most exciting gifts for girls aged 10 to 12, unleashing their creativity and allowing for safe and fun self-expression. This video will review the best nail kits on the market, focusing on safety, ease of use, vibrant colors, and long-lasting results, ensuring a positive and enjoyable experience for young nail art enthusiasts. Number 5. FunKidz Nail Pen Kit. It has everything you need to create your own unique nail art. This kit includes vibrant nail polish, multifunctional pens, and tons of decorations. These amazing pens let you paint, draw, and add glitter to your nails. You can do it all with one tool. Create stunning manicures in minutes with the cute colors and fun accessories. You can even doodle freely on your nails. 3 of the polishes are water-based and peel right off. The others are regular polish, so remember to use the water-based polish as a base coat for easy removal. Designing and painting with this kit will improve your fine motor skills and color matching. It's a great way to express yourself. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity and fun. What we like? It has a 3-in-1 nail pen for versatile nail art. The peel-off polish makes cleanup easy. If you're looking for a creative and mess-free nail experience, this is perfect for you. What people say? She was very surprised and loved the polish and great variety of stickers. My preteen daughter and her friends loved this. Perfect for a girl just discovering how much fun doing your nails is. Great gift. I enjoyed doing my nails with my girls. It was a fun set. I was able to draw a snowman on my nails. Number 4. Toysical Nail Art Kit. It's time to get creative and design your own amazing nail art. This kit has everything you need to create unique and stylish looks. From vibrant nail polishes to dazzling nail stickers and tools, it includes everything for a complete manicure experience. You'll be amazed at what you can create. This kit makes creating salon-quality nails easy and fun. It's perfect for expressing your personal style. No need for a drying lamp or harsh removers. Your designs will dry quickly and easily wash off when you're ready for a change. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit is a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring a smile to any young artist's face. With this kit, you can create stunning nail art that will turn heads. Get ready to show off your amazing creations. What we like? This kit includes everything you need for a salon-quality manicure. The polish dries quickly without a lamp. If you want a full set with beautiful colors and no waiting time, choose this one. What people say? The nail polishes were good kid-friendly ones. My granddaughter loved receiving this for her birthday. She immediately gave me a big hug and then a pedicure with silver stars. My 9-year-old granddaughter just loved it and was able to use everything in the kit. Wonderful for a 9-year-old. She was thrilled and everyone at the party got manicures and pedicures. Number 3. Amagoing Kids Nail Polish Set. Every girl dreams of beautiful nails. This kit lets your little one create their own unique nail art, just like a trip to the salon. It's also a fun way to develop their fine motor skills and creativity. These 2-in-1 nail pens offer both brush and nib for endless design possibilities. The mini nail dryer makes decorating quick and easy, adding extra fun to the experience. With unicorn and mermaid themes, these press-on nails are a dream come true. They're easy to apply and remove, and the 24 different sizes ensure a perfect fit for most children. This complete set includes everything needed for hours of creative fun. With 4 nail pens, stickers, fake nails, a dryer, and more, it allows for over 200 different nail art designs. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The colorful, non-toxic polish and fun accessories make it ideal for parties, sleepovers, or spa days with friends. What we like? It features a 2-in-1 nail pen and a mini nail dryer for added fun. The included fake nails offer extra design options. If your child loves playful designs and interactive tools, this is the ideal choice. What people say? Great quality and value. Great products for little girl, and it easily come off, and it has less odor, and my 5-year-old daughter is enjoying it. It's cute idea for young girls. Number 2. Golray Kids Nail Polish Set. It includes everything you need for a fun and safe manicure and pedicure. Everything stores neatly in the dryer, so cleanup is a breeze. The dryer uses room temperature air, so there's no risk of burns or UV damage. It's gentle on little hands and nails. These water-based polishes are safe for kids and peel right off, so no remover is needed. Apply 2 coats for vibrant color. The press-on nails and stickers add extra flair and are super easy to apply, no glue required. It's a fantastic gift for imaginative play and makes birthday parties or spa playdates extra special. It's compact and portable for fun on the go. What we like? Everything is stored in a convenient dryer case. The dryer is safe and uses room temperature air. If you prioritize convenience, safety, and easy cleanup, this is for you. What people say. The dryer is great and the polish lasts quite a long time. Adorable kit for littles, the nail polish does peel off, which is a plus and negative in the same sentence. Small and easily used by smaller kids, the fan is usable with batteries and does help dry. I got for my granddaughter who loves to be like big girls are. She has so much fun with it. Number 1. Kids Foot Spa Set. It's time for some self-care. This kit is perfect for girls to enjoy a relaxing foot spa experience at home. This makes the perfect addition to any sleepover or slumber party. It's fun and easy to use. Let your imagination run wild. It's a great way to develop creativity and self-expression. With this kit, girls can give themselves fun manicures and pedicures. It's a great way to learn self-care skills. It's easy to use and includes everything needed for a relaxing foot spa. Enjoy the soothing experience. Designed specifically for young girls, it's safe and easy for them to use independently or with a little help. What we like? This set combines a foot spa with a nail kit for a complete pampering experience. It's perfect for teaching self-care and creativity. If you want a fun and relaxing experience that promotes self-care, this is the best option. What people say. Works great. I didn't expect it to actually work the way it says. It's a child's play thing and I would be perfectly happy buying this for myself. The music is cute and sounds like we're in a real spa. It makes real bubbles when you just add a small amount of your favorite soap. The vibration acutely feels nice. It's subtle but nice. I recently purchased this girls' squad foot spa set for a girls' home spa day party. It was a huge hit. The girls got to indulge in some self-care while expressing their creativity. One of the things I appreciated about this set is that it comes with everything needed for a complete DIY manicure and pedicure. From the foot care tools to the nail polish and accessories. This made it easy for the girls to dive right into the pampering experience without the need for any additional purchases. My 11-year-old girl loved this. Play some music while it bubbles and soak. Amazing gift for a girl's day in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.